Welcome to the video, and today's the London to Brighton bike ride. I'm meeting Jason and a friend, and last night I was at a birthday party, didn't get in till about 1:30, feeling a little bit tender, so first things first, coffee. Okay, we're on the move. Had a coffee, still feel a bit fragile. So I got Jason's friend Vicky with us. A bit inexperienced on the bike, so which is going to suit me just fine because it means hopefully we'll be going a bit slower. Quite surprised how dry it is here. Had a bit of rain, I thought it might be wetter. Well, so far so good on this ride. It's been nice and easy, pretty flat. Stopped raining as well. Should say both Vicky and Jason are on e-bikes, so I don't want to hit any big climbs because they'll be gone. Yeah, it's actually really nice out here. Yeah, I'll get it, mate. Yeah. We've hit the Downs link and I think we're going to stop for coffee. No objections from me.
It's actually dry, isn't it?
Well, we're back on the road. Cup of tea, flapjack later. Feeling pretty good really. It has started raining but still pretty mild. And we're on the Downs link heading south. Definitely raining now, still mild though. Just coming to the bottom of the Downs link, to the point where I think me, Jason, Victoria are going to separate as I head south, even though I was having second thoughts about going over the Downs. Looks a bit misty and rainy out there. You ready for the climb then?
No.
You can't see it, it's in the clouds.
No, she's all right.
No, it'll be fine. Have a good one.
Thanks, mate. See you later. It's been emotional.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Don't take her anywhere dangerous, mate. Again.
Again, yeah.
Yeah. So I've left Jason and Vicky now. They've gone off up onto the South Downs. Some serious climbing, some serious rain probably. I've gone for the easier option. I'm going to stick on the Downs link, and then I'm going to go along the seafront into Brighton and see some of these hardy cyclists who've done the London to Brighton today. The rain has become a bit more persistent and it's not feeling quite as good as it did earlier. The intermittent light showers I could deal with, but this has been raining steadily now for a while. Well, back in Brighton, has stopped raining kind of. I'm pretty wet through, so I feel sorry for all the riders today. I think they come in just by the pier, so I'm going to go down and have a look, see what sort of state they're in.
Tom was riding the shore on Nurse's Doctor's Regional Team. Providing great best care and life-saving treatments to be used here in the UK. Abundance that we want to creating the best patient environments. Yes, mate. Pats on the back. Couple of Goss riders coming through here.
It's easy to forget what a big event the London to Brighton Bike Ride is. I've lived in Brighton for about 30 years and I've never done it. I've never even thought about doing it. In fact, I've never even seen the end of it, the finish line. I've caught them a couple of times at the top of Ditchling Beacon, but actually it looks quite a lot of fun, so maybe I should think about doing it next year. I think one of the main reasons I've not done it is I've always ridden off-road, so I've only ever had a mountain bike. But now I've got my gravel bike, I could do it on that. That early start in Clapham though slightly puts me off. Well, it's been a good ride today. Just what I needed really. It's been quite long, over 50k, but no real punishing hills. And with my hangover, I don't think I could have handled that. But thanks for watching the video today. If you've liked it, please click the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to see more of my content, subscribe. So until next time, thanks for watching.